Shine on my Sunday best. It's feeling good. Because I got should.
We're at church. We're in South Carolina, and we decided to come to church today. That's my man.
Lipstick on it. Mess up both of them.
I didn't mess up anything. What's wrong with that mask?
There's a lot of makeup in it.
Well, what's wrong with that one down there that I gave you? That's blue.
Nothing.
I did give you this one.
I don't want that. That all ball up in there.
What you mean it ain't balled up? We use when you put around your neck.
I don't want to wear nothing like that in the church. I'm ready. Come on.
All right, y'all. We came to church. The parking lot is very, very skimpy, scarce. So hopefully we'll be okay. But we came home. Yeah, so we just had to come to church for a little while because we hadn't been to church in a long time. And we normally go to church online, but we decided to come to the physical church. So how are you? Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. It is the next day. But y'all, I'm feeling really blah. I am about to go to the grocery store and get some chips, ice cream, and I want to just sit on the couch and be fat and happy. Okay. Y'all, it's just one of these days I just feel like being like a fat girl, just going to get some chips and ice cream. And I think I'm about to go do that. Do y'all want to go with me to the store? I'm trying to think. Should I take y'all to the store or should I leave y'all in my purse? Leave y'all home? Alright, y'all, let's go to the store real quick. I asked y'all if y'all want to go. Y'all said y'all want to ride. So come on. Guess y'all roll out with me to the grocery store. I just put on some lip gloss. Threw on something real quick. Y'all can roll out with me to the grocery store. I'm on my lunch, by the way. I'm gonna set y'all up right there. Y'all, tell me what y'all think about Meg Thee Stallion and Nicki Minaj's new, I meant Cardi B, not Nicki Minaj. Jeez, come on, girl. Song. What y'all think about that song? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. Now, y'all Christian, y'all too saved, y'all Christian folk who been born again and been saved all your life and ain't never fall short of the glory of the coming of the Lord, don't comment. But if you done you know, done did a few things in your life. If you are married and, you know, you keep it real with the real, then you can comment about this. What do y'all think about Meg Thee Stallion and Nicki Minaj, Cardi B new song? Leave it in a comment right now. Pause the video and comment and let me know what y'all think about that song. Anyway, I just want to know y'all's opinion on it. What y'all think about it? Now, like I said, if you too saved, don't comment. If you too saved, please don't comment, okay? But anyway, y'all, I'm on my lunch break. I feel a little bit better. You know how the first day when Satan arrives in your life, us women, y'all know what I'm talking about. When Satan arrives the first day of your life, in your life every month, he just comes and takes he comes and really take your spirit down sometimes, but I have to reclaim that. So what I'm going to do is get me some ice cream. I'm going to get me some ice cream, some chimps. I'm going to get me some chimps, and some ice cream. And I already got my dinner halfway done. So when I clock out at 5 o'clock, I won't have much to do. But yeah, y'all, that song got some feathers ruffled. Good and bad, y'all. But I want to know y'all comment. I want to know y'all thoughts on it. I'll leave my comment to myself. No, I can say what I want. I can say how I feel about it. This is how I feel about it. I'm a married woman. Okay? I love the Lord. He is number one, the head of my life. And I love my husband. But before I was a married woman, I was a single woman as well. And I done had my share of life, shall I put that, okay? And I am not oblivious to any of that, okay? So, I like the song, okay? I like the song. My husband liked the song. We both like the song, okay? And, you know, I see why Offset can't understand nothing Offset be saying. I see why they say you can't understand nothing he say. I see why he fool. He be sleepy. He be tired. Okay? I see why they say that now. He be tired, y'all. He be tired because that girl puts it on him. I'm like, Lord, look at that. If my mama was living, I probably would have played that song and let her listen to that thing. She probably would have had me rolling. I could just hear my mama now listening to that song. Had me in the car rolling laughing. I could just hear her commentary about it. And I have to give her full warning loud. Now, First Lady, this ain't no church lady song now. But if you want to listen to it, you can listen to it. You know, because you is married though, you know, but I can just hear her now. But anyway, I like the song, y'all. But y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. And let's talk a little bit about the song, and I want to know what y'all ladies think about it. I've heard some good things about it and some bad things about it as far as why they put Kylie in there. Kylie Jenner, like what was the point of that? But I think everything had a reasoning as to why it was done the way it was done. And I like the video and I like the song, and that's just that. Okay, that is just that. But we at the grocery store now, y'all. So y'all come on in here and let's go get some ice cream, and some cakes and some cookies and some pies or something, so we can cure this sweet tooth we got, since Satan want to come and make his grand appearance. Come on. Y'all know the rules. Don't come here begging for nothing, because I ain't got a couple dollars, okay? I ain't got but a couple dollars, but come on here. Thank you. Y'all, I got my ice cream. But y'all, I forgot the most important thing. I forgot my mask. Y'all didn't remind me to put my mask on. And see, what happened was I normally leave this mask in the car like I always do. But I took them out last night to wash them all, and I ain't fold up no clothes yet. God dog it, I feel like crap. Anyway, I wasn't around nobody. I went in the store, and I'm back out within like 3 minutes. Less than 2 minutes, really. So, I think I'll be alright. So, I feel real bad because I ain't went in there. Didn't go in there with my mask. How could I forget that? But I just forgot, y'all. It just slipped my mind. Y'all, forgive me. It really slipped my mind. But I'm going home to fold them clothes up because my husband was just fussing at me. Well, not fussing, but he was saying I got a whole rack of them. I had like 6 of them right here in the console in the car that needed to be washed because, you know, I try to wash them every so often. He was saying that I had makeup in a few of them that I needed to wash and get out of here. And I forgot to get them out the dryer. Dang it, Bobbit. But I ain't got the COVID. And I wasn't around nobody. So, y'all. Anyway, I'm about to beat myself up about it because I'm very protective and very safe. So, and I wasn't around nobody. I didn't pass nobody. Nobody ain't passed me. Or nothing like that. So, I think I'm gonna be all right. But anyway, all right, y'all. So we made it back to the house. So I'm about to show you guys what kind of ice cream I bought real quick before I put it up. So I got the Pet Butter Pecan, the premium ice cream. I got this because it was on sale. And then I also got the Pet Neapolitan. I think these two are probably my favorite two that they had. I think these were on sale for like they was on sale for $2 and they was on sale. I don't know how much they was. But they was on sale. So I just took these out the air fryer, y'all. I let them cook for 12 minutes. And this is what they look like, y'all. Let me put them on a plate. I'm gonna show you guys in a better lighting. Hold on.